Imagine a tiny snowball rolling down a hill. It picks up more snow, gets bigger, then picks up even more snow faster. That's not just physics. It's exactly how your money can grow thanks to compound interest.
It's literally interest on interest. Your initial investment earns money, and then that earned money starts earning money too. It's the financial world's most powerful secret. But why don't more people use it?
The magic really kicks in over time. Starting early, even with a small amount, often beats starting big but late. Think of it. More time on the hill means a much bigger snowball. That's the core idea.
Let's say you invest just $100 every month. Not a fortune, right? But with a reasonable 7% annual return, that small $100 becomes surprisingly huge over decades. After 10 years, you've put in $12,000, but it's grown to over $17,000. Not bad. But here's where it gets wild. What happens if you just keep going for longer? After 20 years, your total contributions are $24,000, but your account balance is now over $53,000. The growth has more than doubled in the second decade alone. See the acceleration? And if you push it to 30 years, you've contributed $36,000 in total, but your money has exploded to well over $122,000. That's more than 3 times what you put in. Want a quick trick to estimate how long it takes to double your money? It's called the Rule of 72. Simply divide 72 by your annual interest rate, and that's roughly the number of years. So with that 7% return, 72 divided by 7 means your money would double in about 10.3 years. Every 10 years, your money doubles. It really is a superpower, isn't it? The key takeaway? Time is your biggest ally. The longer your money has to compound, the more spectacular the results. Don't wait for a huge lump sum. Just start small and start now. So, stop delaying and let that financial snowball start rolling. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out our video on why inflation eats your savings next.